Welcome to the series From Zero to AI Engineer. If you have ever thought, can I really learn coding from scratch? Or how do people actually get into AI and data science? You are in the right place. In this series, we are not just learning Python, we're learning Python with a different purpose to build a strong foundation for data science and machine learning. Even if you have zero coding experience, don't worry. I'll guide you step by step in the simplest way possible. And this is important. By the end of this journey, you won't just understand Python. You will be able to use it to solve real problems and start your path towards AI. We'll start from the absolute basics and slowly move into concepts used in real world AI and ML projects. So don't just watch, code along, practice, and stay consistent. Let me start with a simple question. What if you could build AI applications, automate your daily work, analyze data, or even create your own apps using just one programming language? Sounds interesting, right? That language is Python. And honestly, learning Python today can open up multiple career paths, whether it is AI, data science, or even automation. So, what exactly is Python? Python is a programming language, but unlike many others, it is designed to be simple and easy to read. It was created with a focus on making coding feel almost like writing English. In fact, when you see the Python code for the first time, it won't feel intimidating at all. Now, you might be wondering why everyone is talking about Python. Why is it so popular? First, it is very easy to learn. You don't need a programming background. Second, it has a huge community, which means help is always available. Third, it is extremely versatile. You can use it for almost anything. And the biggest advantage, it comes with a powerful libraries. For example, you have pandas for data analysis, NumPy for numerical operations, and the TensorFlow for AI and machine learning. So you're not building everything from the scratch. A lot is already available. Now let's talk about where the Python actually used in the real world. If you're interested in AI or machine learning, Python is the go-to language. Tools like TensorFlow and PyTorch are built on Python. If you like working with data, Python is heavily used in data science with tools like Pandas. Want to build websites or APIs? You can use the frameworks like Django or Flask. Even for automation, like sending emails, processing files, or repetitive tasks, Python is extremely useful. Basically, if there is a problem, Python probably has a solution for it. And just to give you the confidence, Python is used by companies like Google, Netflix, Instagram, and Amazon, and many more, in fact. So, yes, you're learning something that is actually used in the industry. Now, now here is the best part. You don't need to install anything to get started. We'll be using Google Colab, which runs directly in your browser. All that you need is a Google account and you're ready.